In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up reminders or reoccurring reminders on your iPhone. So to do this, we just need to head over to our iPhone home screen and you'll have this app here called Reminders. Now, if you can't locate this on your phone, then just use the search box to type in Reminders and then click on the application like so. Now, once you're on this window, we first need to set up a reminder. Now, you can do this just by clicking on New Reminder in the bottom left-hand side and then giving your reminder a name. So I'm just going to call mine Morning Meditation. And you can write some notes here as well if you want to add some additional information. And once you've set that up, just click on Add in the top right hand side. Then we're going to click on the All tab to see all of our reminders. And from here, you can manage all of your reminders and set up a reoccurring reminder. So if you did want to do that, just select the reminder that you want to manage. Click on the information button on the right hand side. And we're then going to toggle on the option for date. And if you want this reminder to give you a notification on a specific date, then you can select that date from the list here. You can also add a time as well if you want to be a little bit more specific. And if you want to make this a reoccurring reminder, all you need to do is click on the repeat option. And from here, you can decide whether to set this as a daily reminder, or you can have it every weekend, weekly, fortnightly, and so forth. So once you've done that, just click on Done from the top right-hand side. And just like that, we've set a daily reminder for our morning meditation. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.